Here's how I packed my Lovevook carry-on travel backpack if I were doing a 4-day beach trip, putting everything in one bag. So here are the outfits that I am going to bring with me. So I'm going to bring roughly 4 to 6 outfits, and I'll explain those in a second, and 2 pairs of shoes. 1 pair I'm going to have on my feet. So I'm going to be using 1 packing cube for all of my clothes. These are my favorite compression packing cubes. I have these listed in my Amazon store, and let's get started. So we have a nice denim skirt that I am going to add in here. Try to fold with the pod as much as you can to fit all the surface area in here. I'm going to do 2 different tops, one that's kind of casual and one that's a little bit dressier depending on my mood. And then I'm going to add in a little 2-piece cropped and skirt beachy outfit that can also be versatile. I can dress it up or down. Here is a royal blue bodycon dress, as well as something more casual in case I decide to do like a tour, a 2-piece short and tank top set. And then this versatile black dress that I can also dress up or down. I love packing in that dress. Gonna add my jammies on top for easy access. And then last but not least, I'm going to pack a couple of bras for this trip. So here we are closing up the compression packing cube. You can see that I can fit a ton of stuff in here. Now let's get to my favorite travel carry-on backpack. Y'all, I love this backpack. It has been with me to 7 countries this year alone. It has so many pockets. It can fit so much stuff in it. You can carry it from the side. They literally thought of so many things. One of my favorite things is the fact that this thing actually has a shoe compartment and that it actually opens up like a suitcase. So let's go ahead and start packing this bag. Let's start with the shoes. So I'm going to pack this 1 pair of shoes. I love that the compartment for the shoes is separate because I don't have to worry about my shoes touching my other stuff. I could fit 2 pairs in here. I've done it many times before, but since it's a beach trip, I'm just going to carry it. I'm just going to travel with my flip-flops on. So here we are adding in the packing cube as well as toiletries. Y'all, this toiletry bag literally comes with this backpack, which by the way, I have tagged for you right here in TikTok shop if you want to grab it. You can even strap your stuff down like you can in a regular suitcase. It has this nice waterproof pouch that I'm going to pack my 2 swimsuits in, as well as some undies because I'll be honest, I forgot to pack those earlier. Don't judge me, y'all. So then up top, they also have this little mesh compartment that I like to put my miscellaneous stuff. So there is my bonnet for my hair, my favorite speaker that I like to travel with, airplane pockets, which I love because it gives me extra space on the airplane, my eye pillow for in case I want to sleep on the plane, waterproof phone case, my fan that I carry with me to anywhere I'm going that is hot, and this cute little roll up visor that is in my Amazon store, by the way, that I always love to take to the beach. It's super cute and it goes with everything. So here is everything packed in, or mostly everything packed in this bag. Y'all, this bag carries so much. I still have extra room, but because I'm a workaholic in recovery, I'm probably going to bring my laptop. And luckily this backpack also has a spot specifically for your laptop. Y'all, please recognize that even if it's heavy, they make the straps super thick and they have this padding on the back and pockets everywhere. I'm going to pop in my portable charger as well as my regular charger here in the front, add my water bottle over here and my travel pillow. And y'all, we are all set for a 4-day trip. And I can even expand this backpack if I want to, or I can clip it right here and tighten it if I want to use less space. Y'all, absolutely grab this travel backpack. It is the absolute best. I love it. And you can pop it on top of your friend's luggage because she probably overpacked anyways.